Welcome back, everyone, to your creative learning. This week we will be learning Spanish greetings. Are y'all ready? Let's go. Hola, hi. Hola, hi. Hi, hola. Hi, hola. Adios, bye. Adios, bye. Bye, adios. Bye, adios. Buenos dias, buenos dias. Good morning, good morning. Buenos dias, buenos dias. Buenas tardes, buenas tardes. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Buenas noches, buenas noches. Good night, good night. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you will get the alert for my weekly creative learning videos. Adios.